In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an advertorial in Practice Better. If you're looking to integrate a detailed, marketing-friendly piece into your Practice Better setup, you're in the right place. But stick with me till the end. I'll also reveal an even better tool for creating effective advertorials, plus an exclusive deal you won't want to miss. First thing you'll need to do is head over to your Practice Better dashboard. Once you're there, you want to navigate to the Forms and AMP Documents section. This is where you can build any type of content that will help engage your audience, and advertorial included. Next thing, you'll want to click on Create New. This is where the magic starts. Choose the document template that fits your needs. For an advertorial, you'll likely choose either a custom document or an info page, depending on your goal. But let me tell you, Practice Better isn't the easiest when it comes to creating compelling content. It's simple, but sometimes it's a bit rigid in how it formats and presents things. If you're aiming for something more dynamic, you might feel a little restricted. Now, when you're in the editor, you can start building the content. Add a compelling headline. This is one of the most crucial parts, something that hooks your reader right away. Use strong language to get their attention. Practice Better's text editor is straightforward, but it does lack some advanced features like customizable fonts or easy drag and drop elements. That said, the basic text formatting is still enough to get your point across. Next, you can go ahead and add your main body content. The editor gives you options to insert text blocks, images, and buttons. You'll want to make sure you include persuasive language throughout your advertorial. If you're promoting a service, remember to focus on the benefits, not just the features. With Practice Better, you'll have to manually input every image or button, which is a bit tedious if you're in a rush. It's not the most intuitive, but you can still get things done. Fourth thing, when you're ready to wrap up, make sure you add a clear call to action. This is key for any advertorial. Practice Better allows you to add CTA buttons, but the layout can feel a little old school. You can add a booking link or even a custom link to a landing page, but you might not get the same level of customization that you would with other platforms. Lastly, if you're using Practice Better to market your services, don't forget to test everything before you go live. Sometimes, certain elements like buttons or links don't work quite the way you expect, and you want to make sure everything runs smoothly before sending it to your audience. But honestly, it's a bit more manual than I'd like. The lack of automation or pre-made templates for advertorials means you'll be spending more time tweaking than you might want. Now, here's the thing, Practice Better is decent, but it's far from perfect when it comes to creating advertorials. If you're looking for something that combines easy-to-use features with more creative control, there are better alternatives out there. I've got a special deal for you, though through our link, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial for Practice Better, but I'll also introduce you to some other tools that might serve your goals even better. These platforms offer free trials as well, and are better suited for creating effective advertorials without as much manual effort. So, if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level and grab the best deal possible, check out the link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth it.